Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my lovely kids. Here's teacher Amina with new maths lesson. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Very good. Okay, children, let's see what we are going to learn in maths today. Now get ready for a number song. Here is the number song for you. Let's sing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? 'Cause it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right. Very good. Okay, now children, let's see what else we have in maths to learn. Here is a new number for you. Do you know what is the name of this number? The name of this number is number 8. This is number 8. Today we are going to learn about number 8. Everybody say with me, number 8. Number 8. Very good. Okay, let's see what we have more about number 8. Wow, look at the pencil. Beautiful, colorful pencils. Okay, let's count them. How many pencils are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 pencils. How many pencils? 8 pencils. Very good. Okay, now see. Wow! Balloons. Here are balloons. Okay, let's count with me. How many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 balloons. How many balloons? 8 balloons. Very good. Everybody say with me, 8 balloons. Okay, now what else we have? Wow! Hats. What are these? Hats. Okay, let's count the hats. How many hats are here? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are 8 hats. How many hats? 8 hats. And everybody see, this is number 8. This is number 8. Okay, now everybody say with me. 8 pencils. 8 balloons. 8 hats. Very good. Okay, now children, my lesson is finished. Revise this lesson at home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.